I know the special mining license which were granted to them will expire on the 30th of June, but they still need to be here. So we are going to explore with possibilities. Already that has been discussed, it's been put on the table, which we have agreed that by the 15th of May, that will be dispensed of. And then we've also agreed that we are now going to, the ministry, the State Department for Mining specifically, is going to lead and support Base Titanium in ensuring that we follow issues related to tax refunds, that KRA is supposed to refund them so that they also close out, and as they leave, there should be no pending issues. We know that the government received over 10 billion Kenya shillings from the revenue by Base Titanium. And of this, I think we saw that there is some money that is owed to the county government of Kwale, about 1.7 billion Kenya shillings, and another about 800 million or 900 million that belongs to the community. That is the 10% that belongs to the community. We, as part of this committee, we are going to ensure that the National Treasury releases that amount to the county governments and to the community so that the closure agreements are concluded, and as Base Titanium exits, there should be no complaints from the community or the county government of Kwale. So that's something that we are going to work with the National Treasury to ensure that the money is released. The issues of release of royalties that belong to the counties, we are happy that part of the team in this committee is a team from the National Treasury. So they are aware that there is need to release these funds as a part of the closure agreements that we are going to discuss. That is going to form part of the disclosure agreement. So I think it is going to be left to be between us, the Ministry of Mining, and the National Treasury. We want to make sure that this is factored for the community to benefit and to continue with their normal activities, and also the county to have their share. And this is what we are talking about, closure. Closure means that all other issues are settled. We're not just going to leave it there hanging, and then becomes an issue that we still have an issue. For specifically, the Ministry of Mining and the State Department for Mining will ensure that we follow up this, because we should not leave the community complaining, we should not leave the county complaining, because we need other investors to come to this county. So if we leave some of these issues pending, then it will always leave a mark in the community that you've been promising this. So we want to make sure that we comply with the law. It is not a wish, it is complying with the law. So that's what we are urging our counterparts, the National Treasury specifically, that what is due to the county should be given to the counties. What is due to the community, it's provided for in the Act. So once we accepted to put that in the Act, then we should comply. It's about complying, which I think the issues has not been addressed well. I want to say that because it is our responsibility as a ministry to follow up and say, release the funds for county and release the funds for the community. And the 1% gross sales from Base Titanium, that has gone to the community, because we have what's called the Community Development Agreements committees, and we are happy with the conversation there. There are no complaints. So expecting then also National Treasury should comply with the law.